How long does a creditor or a debt collector have to sue you for any unpaid debts? When should derogatory items fall off of your credit report? And how long does a bankruptcy remain on your credit report? I'm going to answer these questions and others right now. Hello again, this is real estate broker Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors here in Southern California. On this program, we assist buyers and sellers with their real estate goals. So if you are new here and you're interested in this type of content, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. The California Statute of Limitations is the time period a creditor or a debt collector has to sue you for any unpaid debt. These statute of limitations vary from state to state and is based on the type of verifiable debt you have. In the state of California, a debt collector or creditor has a total of 4 years on consumer debt to collect that debt from you. If they do not collect that debt from you within 4 years, they cannot file a lawsuit against you for that debt. How long is that debt valid? Usually, negative items will remain on your credit report, including judgments and liens, for a total of 7 years. After 7 years, the items should fall off your credit report and your credit score should increase shortly thereafter. Remember, creditors cannot sue you for a debt after the statute of limitation has expired. Nevertheless, the item will remain on your credit report, thus impacting your credit score. A car repossession or a house foreclosure will remain on your credit report for 7 years. And a bankruptcy will remain on your credit report for a total of 10 years. Can a creditor or a debt collector still try to collect the debt from you after the 4-year statute of limitation period has expired? Yes. They usually do by trying to trick you into restarting the statute of limitation clock. If you restart the clock by making even a partial payment, the 4-year statute starts all over again. So be careful. Question of the day. Have you ever had derogatory items automatically fall off of your credit report after 7 years? If not, what did you have to do to have those items removed after that 7-year period? Let us know in the comments below. It is important for you to understand that California forbids any unfair, deceptive act or practices to collect consumer debt. If you've gotten value from this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Daryl Williams. This is Win-Win Realtors TV. If you have any questions for me, my contact information is in the description.